Hi everyone, we are at a pivotal moment for Bitcoin and crypto where charts are starting to signal to us that we may be near the bottom and that we may be at a good buying opportunity. So I wanted to go through some of the charts and explain why I would personally be buying now. The first critical chart I wanted to look at is the Fear and Greed Index because for the first time in many months, it's actually showing fear. We have been ranging between greed and extreme greed for almost half a year now, if not longer. 2 days ago, the Fear and Greed Index was at 30, which is a level we haven't seen in 18 months when Bitcoin was nearly at the bottom of the bear market. This is the Fear and Greed Index over time, and as you can see, whenever it wicks down like this, it doesn't stay so low for very long. It ends up bouncing quite well usually. This signals that Bitcoin is undervalued right now and could be at a good buying opportunity. This is the weekly RSI Heat Map, and it basically tells you where the valuation of many different coins is. Oversold means undervalued, overbought means overvalued. As you can see, many coins are falling into this oversold, weak, and low neutral categories. At this point, very few are in this overbought or strong category. So this is another sign that the market is undervalued right now. This is the MVRV Z-Score, and this orange line right here basically identifies bubbles in Bitcoin's price. Typically, when it's overbought, Bitcoin spikes into this red zone at the very top here. This is the red danger zone. This is an immediate sell signal, but this is where it is right now. Typically, if it's over 7, it's considered very overbought, but right now it's under 2. So according to this chart, we are actually nowhere near the top of Bitcoin. This next chart plots Bitcoin's price on a logarithmic scale, with this orange line being Bitcoin's price. This red line is Bitcoin's bottom support level, this purple line is Bitcoin's top resistance level, and this green line is considered Bitcoin's fair valuation. And as we can see, Bitcoin is even below its fair valuation. It's nowhere near this bubble phase where it's over and heading towards the purple line. So this chart is signaling to us that Bitcoin is not overbought right now. This next chart is called the Mayer bands, which also plots Bitcoin's price and divides it into separate bands that basically decide whether Bitcoin is currently oversold, neutral, or overbought. And according to this price, Bitcoin is hardly in the bullish section. It's actually just wicked into the bearish zone, also indicating that Bitcoin is undervalued right now. So by all indicators, we are getting signs that Bitcoin is nowhere near the top and is currently undervalued. If we take a look at Bitcoin's price is under the 100-day moving average and is almost at the 200-day moving average. Typically in bull markets, Bitcoin does not lose the 200-day moving average, and if it does, it usually reclaims it quite quickly. Because this chart is showing Bitcoin's price is so low, this is also signaling that Bitcoin is undervalued. Bitcoin is dancing with a critical support level here at about 60,000, so we may actually lose it and dip back further. But the whole reason that I'm making this video is to basically say it doesn't matter. In my opinion, as an investor, my job is to buy undervalued coins and sell overvalued coins. And by all metrics, we're getting the signs that Bitcoin is currently undervalued and at a good buy zone. So will it drop to 58K? Will it wick to 54K? Maybe, but to me, it doesn't matter. Bitcoin is already 20% down, so do I really care about another 3 to 8%? Not really. So my final message is right now, everything seems to be undervalued, and while it may dip lower, it is currently undervalued and at a good buy zone. If I had sideline money, I would buy right now, but of course, this is my personal opinion and not financial advice. Finally, I wanted to make you aware of this really important resource in our Discord channel where you can look up the price of any coin from directly inside the Discord. So for example, I just typed in /price Bitcoin and it gives me the exact price. You can also research any coin by just typing /info coin. So that way you can actually research what you're buying when other influencers are shilling you their coins. In addition, we are working on the next update where the bot will automatically post daily market updates in this channel that'll tell you whether the market is overvalued or undervalued right now and give you updates about many major indicators. So totally join our Discord for that. Before I conclude the video, I wanted to say that I am live every Monday and Thursday morning at 7:30 a.m. Central, and I would love to see you there. So make sure you subscribe and like. I'll see you in the next live stream. Thank you so much, guys.